Welcome back to NEET MCQ Factory YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. Here is your first question. Who popularized the term biodiversity? The correct answer is A. Edward Wilson. Edward Wilson, a sociobiologist, popularized the term to describe the combined diversity at all levels of biological organization. Next question. Which of the following has the maximum genetic diversity in India? The correct answer is B. Mango. India has more than 1,000 varieties of mango and over 50,000 genetically different strains of rice. Next question. Western Ghats have a greater amphibians species diversity than Eastern Ghats. This is an example of. The correct answer is B. Species diversity. Species diversity is defined by the variety of species within a region. Next question. Which group of animals has the highest number of species among the following? The correct answer is C. Insects. Insects are the most species-rich taxonomic group. Out of every 10 animals, 7 are insects. Next question. As we move away from the equator towards the poles, species diversity will. The correct answer is B. Decreases. Latitudinal gradients show that biodiversity is highest at the tropics and decreases toward the poles. Next question. In the species area relationship equation, Z stands for. The correct answer is D. Regression coefficient. Z is the slope of the line, regression coefficient. Next question. For very large areas like entire continents, the value of Z slope ranges from. The correct answer is B. 0.6 to 1.2. While Z is usually 0.1 to 0.2 for smaller areas, it becomes much steeper, 0.6 to 1.2, for larger continental scales. Next question. The rivet popper hypothesis was proposed by. The correct answer is A. Paul Ehrlich. It uses an airplane analogy to explain how losing species, rivets, can eventually cause ecosystem collapse. Next question. The most important cause driving animals and plants to extinction is. The correct answer is C. Habitat loss and fragmentation. Habitat loss is the primary driver, especially in tropical rainforests. Next question. The extinction of the passenger pigeon was due to. The correct answer is D. Overexploitation by humans. When need turns to greed, species like the Steller's, sea cow and passenger pigeon are overhunted. Next question. Which invasive weed is known as the terror of Bengal? The correct answer is C. Eichhornia, water hyacinth. Water hyacinth grows aggressively in stagnant water, depleting oxygen and killing fish. Next question. Narrowly utilitarian arguments for conserving biodiversity include. The correct answer is A. Food, fiber, and medicines. Narrowly utilitarian focuses on direct economic benefits like timber, food, and industrial products. Next question. Broadly utilitarian arguments include. The correct answer is B. Oxygen production. Broadly utilitarian refers to ecosystem services that cannot be easily priced, like oxygen and pollination. Next question. Which of the following is an example of in-situ conservation? The correct answer is C. Wildlife sanctuaries. National parks, biosphere reserves, and sanctuaries are in situ. Next question. Total number of biodiversity hotspots in the world is? The correct answer is B, 34. Initially 25, but 9 more were added, bringing the total to 34. Next question. Which of the following is a biodiversity hotspot in India? The correct answer is D, Western Ghats and Sri Lanka. India's hotspots are Western Ghats, Sri Lanka, Indo-Burma, and the Himalayas. Next question. Which of the following is an example of ex-situ conservation? The correct answer is C, cryopreservation. Cryopreservation, preserving at 196 degrees Celsius, is a high-tech ex-situ method. Next question. The historic Earth Summit, 1992, was held in? The correct answer is B, Rio de Janeiro. It called upon nations to take measures for biodiversity conservation. Next question. The World Summit on Sustainable Development, 2002, was held in? The correct answer is A, South Africa. It was held in Johannesburg, South Africa. Next question. Red Data Book is maintained by? The correct answer is B, IUCN. The International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, maintains the list of threatened species. Next question. Species restricted to a particular area and not found anywhere else are called? The correct answer is C, endemic species. Endemism is a key criterion for identifying biodiversity hotspots. Next question. How many biosphere reserves are there in India? The correct answer is D, 18. There are 18 biosphere reserves, 90 national parks, and 448 wildlife sanctuaries. Next question. Which group has more species than the combined total of fishes, amphibians, reptiles, and mammals? The correct answer is B, fungi. Fungi species diversity is immense, exceeding all vertebrate groups combined. Next question. Which of the following is the most effective way to conserve a species? The correct answer is C, habitat preservation. Maintaining the natural habitat, in situ, is the most sustainable approach. Next question. The rate of extinction is high in which of the following? The correct answer is A, islands. Islands are more vulnerable because of small population sizes and limited resources. Next question. Which of these is not a biodiversity hotspot in India? The correct answer is D, Sundarban. Sundarban is a biosphere reserve and national park but not part of the defined global hotspots. Next question. Pollination, aesthetic pleasure, and walking through thick woods are? The correct answer is C, broadly utilitarian. These are ecosystem services provided by nature. Next question. Which of the following is a key species that, if removed, could collapse an ecosystem? The correct answer is B, keystone species. Keystone species, like the tiger in a forest, play a critical role in maintaining the structure of an ecological community. Next question. Steller's sea cow became extinct due to? The correct answer is C, overexploitation. It was over-harvested by humans. Last question. Which state in India is the natural habitat of the Indian rhinoceros? A, Assam. B, Gujarat. C. Uttarakhand. D. Kerala. Share your correct answer in the comment before checking. Thanks for watching the video. For more NEET MCQ, please do like, share and subscribe to the NEET MCQ Factory YouTube channel. See you in the next videos.